I'm a real player, you can put me on the roster. All about my cheese, I ain't worried about the pasta. Baby 9 on me, change the mind on the rob. They a hater up, might as well call me doctor. Fly like a chopper, dropping bombs like a veteran. Screens finna rain, I'm predicting like the weather. Serve in my cup, can't go without my medicine. Flow so fresh, like a big bag of peppermint. Where is my letterman? I'm ballin' on these suckers. You know the money talk, you can ask Chris Tucker. I'm a country boy, got the hat and the buck. Can't forget the boot, everybody gotta love. Let me change the subject, I ain't really come to brag. They starting to call me yo, cause I keep my money bag. Smoking on kush, getting higher than a flag. Body rock the drop to the tire gold flag. I'm fire than a match, you can call me ever start. Flow stay boosters wild, yours never charge. Be like a month, man, you haters better march. Your girl laughing at you, I'm the rapping Kevin Hart. My jeans every start, sounding like cardboard. Can't have my swag, cause my swag not yours. I'm a Chevy man, but I don't knock for it. I'm flowing through your line like a couple ox cords. I'm a hot boy, shout out to my boy Snoop. Coming down the void, 2 fingers out the roof. I'm in the old school, got everything new. Peanut butter top with the butter guts too. I'ma get loose, make the crowd start dancing. Killing these beats like my name Charles Manson. Flow so fire, Mike, don't start camping. Lifestyle sweet, like I'm living at the Hamptons. I do a lot of gambling, I'm striving to the top. Why you want support, but you sit back and watch? They wanna see me down, I don't understand the plot. They wanna be a cheater, I'm the one with the spot. Swinging in the drop, got the back end humming. Screens in the roof, watching on Mr. Drummond. Bang so loud, got that thing on 100. Trunk hit so hard, I make a nigga fumble. Hotter than the summer, watch when I pull out. Screens in the trunk, got them watching Full House. I represent the South, can't tell you how I flouse. Hold it kinda strong, man, that thing'll pull a house. Blowing out clouds, I can stop him like spades. Once I get a deal, I'm gonna rock the stage. I ain't Pimp C, but I'm chopping on blades. Screaming free lighted till they let him out the cage. Turn another page, cause the vet got skills. Let me tell you something, like 5 Marshallville. I'm a Navy SEAL, keep my head above water. Stay away from haters, now I move a lot smarter. Boy, let you test me, I'ma flip you like a quarter. I see you sending shots, but the vet is immortal. I'ma come harder till I know you feel it twice. Ice, ice, baby, like my name Vanilla Ice. You haters getting left, so you better get right. Screens in the roof, watching Miami Vice. My flow too tight, so you better loosen up. You want me at the bottom, but I'm steady moving up. Throwing all that dirt, but I'm moving through the dust. Watch me touch down like my name Cooper Cup.